Good morning, parents. I am studying in third class. Good morning, parents. I am studying in third class. My name is K. Devraj. Today, our topic is addition. Ones tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 75. Thank you.